Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Mailchimp signup forms with accessible design detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the audience dashboard. Select the audience you want to update. Click on the Sign Up Forms tab. Choose Embedded Forms from the drop-down menu. Select the form type you want to customize. Review the default design and layout options. To enhance accessibility, focus on color contrast first. Ensure that the text color contrasts well with the background. Use online tools to check color contrast ratios. Next, ensure that all form fields are clearly labeled. Add descriptive labels for each field. Consider using placeholder text for guidance. Ensure that the labels are visually associated with their respective fields. Use larger font sizes for better readability. Aim for a minimum of 16 pixels for body text. Make sure to use easy-to-read fonts. Avoid overly decorative or cursive fonts. Include ARIA labels for screen readers if needed. Now, check that your form is keyboard navigable. Test tabbing through the form fields to ensure ease of use. Make sure all buttons and links can be activated with the keyboard. Add error messages that are descriptive and accessible. Ensure that users know what went wrong if a submission fails. Test the form on different devices to ensure a responsive design. Ensure the form scales appropriately on both desktop and mobile. Consider adding a clear confirmation message after submission. Make the confirmation message visible to all users. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.